My name is Kevin, and thank you so much for joining me in this cBioPortal tutorial. My name is Kevin, and I'll be your host. So a little bit about me. I'm a UC San Diego medical student and who's interested in oncology, and a lot of my research is based on lung cancer. So that's how I became invested and found cBioPortal. And this tutorial is meant for beginners, but hopefully I can teach something to all people at different levels. And I'm assuming since you're clicking on this video, you probably have some type of understanding what cBioPortal is. Essentially, it's a clinical genomic database with lots of patient samples from different institutions in which they upload from their studies, published studies, into this database. And it allows you to take a look at a huge number of genomic samples from patients to create studies and make justifications. So I think it's a very powerful tool in terms of the clinical genomics space related to cancer. And so this video is going to be a main overview of the types of cBioPortal and also how to navigate the main screen. And so as you can see, this is the main cBioPortal. And so so I say main because I believe this is the first cBioPortal, and you can tell based on the amount of studies that vary between both solid and hematologic malignancies. In addition, there's cBioPortal Genie, and this is established by the AARC. And so they have their own cBioPortal for including their own patient samples. In addition, my own institution, UC San Diego, has their own cBioPortal with their own patients, but this is only limited to UCSD affiliates. So going back to the main cBioPortal, so as you can scroll, you can see a lot of the different cancers with the associated studies. And so for me, I'm interested in lung cancer. So typically what I do is to select all. And for me, my focus is non-small cell. So we're just going to deselect these small cell lung cancer studies. And we're going to hit this Explore Studies tab. And as you can see, now we have a collection of 27 studies. And this is a general summary of all the studies. And a couple of things you can see the cancers in these studies, and also you can see the type of histology. And for example, let's say I want to look at patients with lung adenocarcinoma, then you would want to filter by clicking over here. And there's other things that you may want to filter, for example, co-mutations or mutations for these samples. And you can also click to partition or to filter based on TP53 mutation. Also, there are other things that are represented on these figures, such as mutation count, fraction genome altered. In addition, if there's other things that you want to take a look at, you hit charts. And for example, say stage. It's a small subset of patients that you can also filter by stage. If you're interested in, let's say, metastatic versus early stage, then you can click on and separate, and then you can compare between stage as well. So that's cBioPortal in a nutshell, and I'm very excited to have this series, and I hope that you join me for the rest of the series. So thanks so much for clicking on this video, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.